Guys, welcome back to another F-Works episode. Today, we will be working on my CLS63 Amg. And it's time to replace the front sway bar links up in the front on both sides. I've been putting this project off for a long time. Let's get it done today, knock it out. It should be, I don't know, maybe less than 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and lift up the car on both sides. Now, I recommend doing it at the same time so that way the sway bar links don't fight you or give you resistance when removing one. So let's lift it up, remove the wheels. Go ahead and get your impact wrench with a 17 mil socket. Get those wheels off. And now we have access to the front links. And this is the reason why we're replacing it. Check this out. Thing is wobbly. Let's go ahead and replace it. Now get yourself an 18 mil box wrench. I'm using a ratchet version here in this video. Also, you'll be using a T40 bit socket. That's to hold the stud in the middle. Now we're going to do the same thing for the bottom. Crack it open with the 18 mil socket, then go in there with the box wrench. And here's the old front link. As you see, there's a torn boot. That is no good. So that's why we're replacing front links. And these are actually original. As you see, Mercedes-Benz. Out with the old, in with the new. These links, I actually got it from FCP Euro. I'm going to put the link below in the description if you guys are interested. And these are a Lemforder. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but here it is. I'm going to install these quickly. Now we're going to put everything in reverse order. The only thing that's going to change is the socket. We're going to be using a 6mm Allen for the stud in the middle. And there you have it. The links are actually installed. And these things are solid. They're not moving. They're not going anywhere. Check this out. I have both links over here. Notice how this one's also torn from the actual bottom. This is the bottom part, and then this one is also the bottom part. Not sure why both sides gave up towards the bottom, but both of these are for sure gone. So there you have it. And there you have it. This CLS63 is ready to hit the road. It's a very, very simple job. Easy, straightforward. No need to go to the dealership. I've seen quotes as high as $650 to $745 just to replace the front links. I've seen it on a C300. They went to get maintenance done and they recommended links. Quote was $745 for those links. It's outrageous. That wraps it up for this video. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like, share, subscribe. Got more videos on the way. Thank you for your support. I'll see you guys on the next video.